Best Mini Spy Cameras reviews help users choose reliable hidden security devices with clear footage, motion detection, and discreet monitoring features. My today's video is about top 5 best mini spy cameras review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bralode Mini Camera Nanny Cam for Home. This mini spy camera delivers an impressive balance of security, convenience, and modern smart features in a compact design. The built-in free cloud storage is a standout advantage, allowing users to access recordings anytime without paying monthly fees. Its upgraded Wi-Fi technology provides a stable connection, making setup fast and frustration-free through the mobile app. The 4K video quality captures sharp details during the day, while automatic night vision ensures dependable monitoring in dark environments up to 15 feet away. Motion detection works efficiently, sending instant alerts directly to your smartphone so you can quickly respond to suspicious activity or important events. One of the most useful features is its flexible recording capability. With Wi-Fi enabled, users can remotely view live footage and playback recordings from anywhere. Even without internet access, the camera continues local recording through an SD card, making it reliable for travel, offices, homes, or discrete security monitoring. Now our second product is HiSpyCam Mini Camera DIY Module HD 1080p Camera. This mini Wi-Fi camera DIY module is an excellent choice for users who need discreet and reliable monitoring in a compact form. Its ultra-small design makes it easy to hide almost anywhere, blending naturally into home, office, or personal security setups without drawing attention. Despite its tiny size, the camera delivers impressive 1080p HD video quality with sharp detail and smooth recording performance. The stable Wi-Fi connection allows convenient remote viewing from your smartphone, making it easy to monitor important areas while away. Even if the Wi-Fi connection drops temporarily, the camera continues recording directly to the SD card, ensuring continuous footage without interruptions. The support for up to 256 GB local storage provides plenty of space for long recording sessions while keeping files secure and accessible anytime. Smart motion detection adds another layer of protection by instantly alerting you when movement is detected. Overall, this compact surveillance camera combines portability, dependable performance, and flexible storage for everyday security needs. Our third product is Rfong 1 PCS only 0.9-inch hidden camera. This hidden wireless camera stands out with its impressive combination of 4K video quality, smart security features, and flexible usability. The crystal-clear HD imaging captures sharp details with excellent clarity, while the built-in infrared LEDs automatically activate in low-light environments to deliver reliable night vision performance. Even in near darkness, the footage remains smooth and highly visible. Its intelligent motion detection system works efficiently by instantly recording activity and sending real-time alerts with snapshots directly to your smartphone. This feature is especially useful for monitoring children, pets, visitors, or suspicious movement while away from home. Setup is refreshingly simple thanks to its wire-free design and direct Wi-Fi hotspot connection. The built-in battery supports portable use, while USB power compatibility allows continuous recording for longer monitoring sessions. Dual storage options provide added convenience with support for microSD cards up to 128 GB and mobile app playback. Overall, this compact camera delivers dependable surveillance performance for homes, offices, travel, and outdoor activities. Now number 4, HDSRPin 4K Indoor Security Hidden Camera. This 4K hidden camera delivers an impressive blend of smart security, portability, and reliable monitoring features in an ultra-compact design. Equipped with a 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, it captures a broad viewing area with sharp 4K clarity, making it ideal for monitoring homes, vehicles, pets, or family members around the clock. The full-color night vision performs exceptionally well in low-light environments, preserving important details even at night. One of its biggest strengths is the remarkable battery life, lasting up to 60 days on standby. Users can also connect it to a power bank or wall outlet for continuous 24/7 recording. The advanced AI human detection system reduces false alerts by accurately distinguishing between people, pets, and vehicles, providing smarter and more reliable notifications. The camera works even without Wi-Fi by recording directly to an SD card, making it perfect for remote locations. Free cloud storage, loop recording, and unlimited family sharing further enhance convenience, security, and accessibility for everyday monitoring needs. And our last choice is AIDA Wacom 2026 Upgraded 4K HD Mini Security Camera. This upgraded 2026 Mini security camera delivers an excellent combination of advanced surveillance technology, portability, and user-friendly convenience. Its sharp 4K Ultra HD resolution captures detailed footage with impressive clarity, while the enhanced infrared night vision provides reliable monitoring up to 16 feet in darkness. Whether used for home security, baby monitoring, pet supervision, or office surveillance, the image quality remains consistently clear day and night. The intelligent AI motion detection system works efficiently by sending instant alerts directly to your smartphone whenever movement is detected. This helps users stay informed in real time and quickly respond to important activity around the home. Its completely wire-free and ultra-compact design makes placement simple and discreet in almost any indoor space. The powerful 2,800 mAh rechargeable battery offers extended performance with up to 100 days of standby time, reducing the need for constant charging. Flexible storage options, including SD card support and cloud storage, add extra convenience. Combined with reliable app controls and lifetime customer support, this camera provides dependable everyday security and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.